PC50. That me and my dad used to have one of these back in the late 70s, early 80s, and I saw one at the David Silver Spares Museum, and really fancied getting another one because I did have some good fun rocking up to motorbike events on this little thing. Not this exact one, but this is a similar model, or the same model, for restoration. My wife keeps saying, what's the fascination with restoring bikes and fiddling about with them? I just don't get it. So she's going to have a go at doing this one. This is Tina.
Hello.
And this is her PC50, which she's going to restore in this series of videos. So the first thing she's going to do is take the seat off.
Am I?
Oh yeah, we've got no free passengers.
Okay.
Spare spark plug, spark plug socket, screwdriver, and screwdriver handle. Original toolkit, that's cool.
That's clean.
There's a storage container for your waterproofs. So, yeah, it's like a little box, and then this is gone, so we'll need some new ones of those. That'll do.
Yeah.
That's it.
Isn't it?
Nope.
That one.
Off now. Pull the pipe off.
Okay.
Yep.
Still attached down here.
No, it isn't. Yes, it is.
Yeah, of course it is. It's there.
Yeah, okay. It's the classic. Too tight for fingers. Too loose for spanner. That's it.
Oh, and another snail. And that one's still alive, maybe. And another one in there. Look at them.
More snails.
All the way?
Yeah.
Just down to the bottom here. Coming out.
You put it all in now.
We don't let go.
Quite a lot of these bolts actually go straight into the frame where they're threaded, so I thought this went all the way through, giving Tina this technique. And anyway, as you can see, she's multitasking two bolts at the same time.
No more snails. I'm not happy with this. That one with them, with the rod. Oh, right. Yeah. Okay. There. Is it that the right way around? Is it sticking out that way? The reason I took the mudguard and light fitting off in one piece is because the two screws holding it on looked like they would need drilling out. Is that meant to come out there? Could end up losing that. This is the air filter assembly. When we took it apart, the air filter itself seems to be missing. So we'll have to get a replacement part for that.
So how did you enjoy doing your first bit of your video?
Felt under pressure,
Why?
but at least all the nuts, bolts and screws all came out without too much effort.
Yeah, the that main one with the mudguard, not the mudguard, the chain guard was a bit tough. But
Yeah, and we've lost 2 bolts somewhere in the bike. That's my bad.
I think one of them shook out the bottom. We'll find it.
You're
But
just saying that.
they're only they're only sort of 10mm bolts. I've got loads of them. Don't worry about it. Unless you want 100% originality. But who knows if they've been replaced in the past anyway. So that's the end of this first part. And if we have to do other bits before we disassemble, like do some restoration, we can get that prepared and get on with it. But hope you enjoyed it, and look forward to part 2. It's
Bye.
clever.